Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you some of the best banks for savings accounts in the Philippines for 2025, and we are going to begin with Land Bank. So as you can see here, plan your future with Land Bank. Now, when it comes to savings account for Land Bank, there are two options. You have your regular passbook savings account and your Piso Bank account. So the regular passbook savings account is an interest-bearing peso account with which requires presentation of a passbook for deposit and withdrawal transactions. The Piso account, on the other hand, is Land Bank Perang Inimpok Savings Account or Piso account for those who don't have any existing deposit accounts for the Land Bank bank, pretty much. So again, if you want to learn more about these two, so click on Learn More. There you go. So these are the two accounts. So regular passbook savings account is this one. So again, minimum initial deposit 10,000, required minimum average daily balance of 10,000. So this is your maintaining balance. Interest rate per annum is 0.05. Required daily balance to earn interest is 10,000. Again, you need to have at least 10,000 that you don't touch on your bank account. Monthly service charge below minimum ADB is 200. Monthly dormancy fee is 30 pesos. Fee if closed within 1 month from opening date is 300. Right? So that is the regular passbook savings account, and this is the Piso account. So minimum initial deposit is of course 1. Required minimum average daily balance none. Interest rate per annum is 0.052. Required daily balance to earn interest is 2,000 pesos. Monthly service charge below minimum ADB and monthly dormancy fee are waived. Fee if closed within 30 calendar days is 300. Maximum outstanding balance is 50,000 at any given time. Monthly aggregate credit deposit limit is 50,000 in auto closure with a balance of 1 peso and below without transaction for 180 days. So those are the Land Bank savings account options. Next up is RCBC. So start saving with a basic deposit account. This is perfect for individuals who have no existing bank accounts with RCBC, have no access to facilities granting government IDs, and have a good financial history. So what you're in for, minimum initial deposit of 100 pesos, which is pretty good, not too big. There are no required average daily balance or no balance to earn interest. So even if you have 100 pesos, it's going to earn interest, right? So maximum account balance is at 50,000, which is kind of low. Interest rate is, well, there's no interest, right? So, and they have options and features like My Debit ATM card benefits, transaction records, and charges and fees. Yeah, this is for RCBC. There you go. Next up is BPI. So this is a regular savings account for BPI, a savings account with electronic banking convenience, so you can juggle your day-to-day finances easily at any given time of the day. So this is a brief overview. Required initial deposit for BPI savings is 3,000. Required minimum monthly ADB is 3,000. Required daily balance to earn interest is 5,000, right? And initial rate per annum is 0.06. So again, still one of the best banks. But when it comes to interest rates, it's not the best, of course. And when it comes to the account features, you have secure transactions, hassle-free, online account opening. This is only for existing BPI clients, cashless shopping, and convenience, right? So that is BPI savings account. And again, if you're into interest rates, this might not be for you because 0.06 is it's too small, right? So that is BPI. Next up is PNB, or Philippine National Bank. So there are a few options for savings accounts. You have your debit savings, right? You have passbook savings. You have TAP or Tap MasterCard. You have Top Saver. You have My First Savings. You have Pensioner Savings, and you have Direct Deposit Pensioner. So there are a few like aggregates here. So debit card. Almost every savings account type has a debit card aside from passbook and direct deposit. When it comes to passbook, it's quite the opposite, right? So for passbook, debit does not have passbook, Tap MasterCard does not have passbook, and Pensioner does not have passbook. When it comes to interest rates, debit is at 1% or 10%. Same with passbook and same with Tap MasterCard. This is 10%, right? Or 1%. My First Savings has 0.1. Pensioner and Direct, same thing, 0.1. Meanwhile, Top Saver is tiered, right? And when it comes to initial deposits for debit savings, it's 3,000. For passbook, it is 10. For Tap MasterCard, it is 0. For top saver, it is 30,000, pretty big. My first savings is 0. And when it comes to pensioner and direct deposit pensioner savings accounts are both 100, right? So if you want to learn more, you click on this for whatever savings account from PNB that you are interested in. So again, this is the PNB debit savings account, right? So just click on the learn more here, pnb.com.ph, right? So that is PNB. Next up is Security Bank. Grow your money faster with higher interest rates. So again, when it comes to Security Bank, you get higher interest rate, which you can enjoy your high interest rates that surpass the returns offered by their regular savings account. You can save at your own pace. You know, you can add cash anytime. More with bonus rates. So there are rewards when you hit milestones, and you can monitor anytime, anywhere, which means that you have an online app with Security Bank. So their savings is Money Builder. So maintaining balance of 10,000, balance to earn interest is 10,000, of course. And this is the ADB tier here. So from 5,000 to 99, well, pretty much 100,000. Base rate, PA, 0. PA, bonus rate, nothing. Maximum rate is 1%. From, again, you can see the tiered here. From 0 to 0.5 to 1 to 1.30 to 2 to 2.25 for base rate. And these are the maximum rates, right? So you can just pause and see if this interests you, right? So this is Security Bank's savings account. Again, a bit higher. You know, if you're looking for, well, they offer amazing deals and an amazing savings account. But if you're looking for, interest rates are fine, you know, in itself, especially if you have more money in the bag. But if you're more on the budget side of things, you might not want to go with Security Bank and go with something more cheaper that offers a lot more. So next up is CIMB Bank. So a more popular option. So up to 8% PA earned, and you can earn more promos, right? So again, eligibility and how to qualify, promo runs. Again, this is a promo, right? So there are two options. You have Upsave and GSave. So Upsave, get interest rates up as high as 2.5% PA. No minimum amount required to earn the interest rate, which is great. Grow your balance with 0 cash and fees. And when it comes to GSave, watch your savings grow with an interest rate as high as 2.6. So it's a bit higher. Enjoy 0 initial deposit, 0 maintaining balance. You save straight from the GCash app and access your savings whenever you want. So you can actually access your CIMB GSave account through the GCash app. That's why it's G. So this is a savings account partnered with Globe, right? There you go. So again, CIMB is one of the more popular online banks, and we are going to go with, lastly, arguably one of the most popular, which is Maya. So Maya, the Maya digital bank app it's the Maya app, right? So again, 3 easy steps. Step 1 is open Maya and tap savings. Step 2 is enter page, tap start Maya savings. Step 3 is fund your Maya savings by seamlessly depositing from your wallet. So what is interesting about Maya is, I can't show it to you right now because my phone's charging. This is true, you can earn up to 50% interest PA every day. So the more you use Maya, for example, you're using GrabFood, if you're buying or shopping in Lazada or Shopee, and instead of using cash on delivery, you use your Maya account, your Maya wallet. You can easily grow up to 50% interest rate daily, right? So it has arguably the highest interest rate PA that you could actually get. The problem with this is that, even though, again, safe and secure, right? Buy a Maya card, which is $200 to $250 now, right? You can get started with just one ID and no minimum balance, which is it's very easy to open a Maya bank account as long as you've already opened a Maya wallet, right? You have a card, you have an account, right? So I'm not going to touch on this because most Filipinos have this. I will warn you though, when it comes to Maya, a lot of people try to take advantage of the 50% interest rate. And if you go to Reddit, there's going to be a lot of people crying and saying, oh my god, Maya is the worst, they closed my account, I lost my money. and then if you ask them, they're not going to answer anything because a lot of people are using the 50% to squeeze Maya for the interest rate, which is a lot of people are like that. So just be careful. Make sure that your transaction history is not weird. So if you're actually somewhat of a regular spender, this is not going to be an issue for you. But if you don't really use that and then you decided to just like, oh, I can earn money by, you know, doing the 50% interest rate for Maya, there is a chance that you need to you might get penalized by Maya. They might close your account. They might take your assets. It's a very annoying, painful process that you actually need to reach out to the the National Bank, you know, of the Philippines, Central National Bank, right, to help you get your money back, which it's gonna take months. So again, if you're gonna go with Maya, make sure you don't abuse this because you will lose your money, you will lose your account. But aside from that, Maya is very easy, very good. I use it personally myself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, read that bell icon. I will see you on the next video.